The Chrysler Voyager is a reliable and popular minivan that has been on the market for many years. One of the essential features of this vehicle is the oil change light, which serves as a reminder to drivers when it's time to change the oil. In this video, we will walk you through the process of resetting the oil change light in your Chrysler Voyager, ensuring that you can enjoy a smooth and hassle-free driving experience. So, let's get started. Method 1. This process will only need a few steps and can save you a trip to the mechanic. So the way you reset is: Step 1. Turn on the ignition. First, push the engine start-stop button until you are in the on or run position. Do not step on the brake pedal or start the engine. Step 2. Press the accelerator pedal 3 times. Next, press the accelerator pedal all the way down 3 times within 10 seconds. Make sure to press the pedal fully to the floor each time. Step 3. Restart your car. Finally, restart your car and the oil change light should now be reset. If the light does not go off after following these steps, try repeating them or consult your owner's manual for further instructions. Method 2. This second method uses the instrument cluster display that is in your vehicle. So let's figure out how to get this oil light reset. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. To begin the oil change light reset process, turn your car to the on position. So you need to press the start button twice with your foot off the brake pedal. Ensure that the engine is not running. You only need to activate the vehicle's electrical system. Step 2. Navigate to the vehicle info menu. After that, you're going to use the down or up button to scroll till you get to the vehicle info menu. Step 3. Scroll to the oil life menu. After that, scroll to the right or left by using the directional pad until you get the oil life. Step 4. Hold down the OK button. Now we're going to go ahead and press OK and hold it down so we'll get the 100%. Step 5. Restart your car. Finally, turn the ignition off and start your car to verify the light is reset. The light should no longer be illuminated, indicating the successful reset. So that's it, and we're all done. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for maintaining the health and performance of your Chrysler Voyager's engine. By properly resetting the oil change light after each oil change, you can ensure accurate maintenance tracking and enjoy a smooth driving experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.